Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a super quick and easy way to create a last-minute Father's Day card with minimal coloring and lots of die cutting. Just in case you're like me and totally lost track of the days and didn't realize that Father's Day is tomorrow. Anyway, let's get started. I'm using the Apron Barbecue add-on dies, Kiss the Cook stamps, and the Apron A2 Card Builder die set. I'm also using pattern paper from the Rainbow Birthday paper pad. First, I die cut the apron pieces from the blue striped pattern paper and white cardstock. I start by folding the long rectangle in half. This will connect my apron pieces to create a shaped card. Then I fold the apron pocket along the score lines and crease it with my bone folder. Next, I stamp the sentiment from Kiss the Cook onto the apron with Versamark and heat emboss it with white embossing powder. I want the pattern paper to have a little more stability, so I adhere it to white cardstock. This also helps secure the apron loop at the top. Then I adhere the folded rectangle along the back of my apron and adhere it to another apron die cut from white cardstock. This creates my folded shaped card. Next, I use thin score tape to adhere the pocket to my apron. Off camera, I die cut lots of barbecue accessories from metallic silver cardstock, red cardstock, and yellow for the mustard bottle. I adhere the red handles to the barbecue tools with liquid adhesive. Then I use Copic markers in Y38, Y35, Y15, and Y13 to color the mustard bottle and cap. Once I'm done coloring, I adhere the cap to the bottle. Finally, it's time to assemble my card. I adhere all the tools poking out of the pocket, but make sure not to cover up my sentiment. This is a simple card, but all the little details really make it pop. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!